Hey lovelies, and welcome back to another lovely nail video. Long time no see on the nails, right? Hey, if you are new here, my name is Audrey. I do DIY press-on nails that I customize myself. And I also do lifestyle vlogs as well on my channel. So if you are interested in those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to be a part of the lovelies. Okay, let's get into these fall inspired nails. So your girl has been feeling a little inspired from the press-on nails that I got from Shein. At one point, I was kind of feeling uninspired from doing my nails. I'm not sure why. I was in a funk, and I seen on Shein that Glamazon Tay, actually shouting her out. She has a channel and she gets a lot of her press-on nails from Shein and other people. So I checked Shein out, and they had really nice press-on nails. So your girl got a good bit of those nails. I do have a haul on my channel as well. Look at that if you like to see those press-on nails. But from those press-on nails were handmade, hand designed, customized, and it really got me back inspired. And also, you know, the comments on my page about me starting just a nail page and that people would enjoy it. So here's my first attempt of getting back into customizing my nails. So I'm not a professional. Let's start right there. I am a DIY girly that likes to do her own nails at home for self-care. So right now we have the nails that I actually got off of TikTok shop. This is the Beetle nails. This is the stiletto nails, clear, and it has the apex on them. The length, I believe the length is medium. So, you know, it's different with different brands, their lengths on what they consider medium. For me, this is an okay length. I got used to it, but I do really feel like the medium could be shorter. These nails are pretty sharp, so I do file them afterwards. So right now we are just sizing the nails. I really like these nails. They were $16 on the TikTok shop, and follow me on TikTok to get the link for that. Also, everything I have here that I am using, I have my Madam Glam gel polishes. I have a top coat I got from Sally's. I'm sorry, I don't remember the brand, but most of the stuff I have here is going to be from Madam Glam. The LED light, the nail stands, I got those off of Amazon, nice and cheap. The little pink sticky tabs, those I also got off of Amazon as well. So first, like always, we're going to start off with our base coat after sizing our nails and putting them on our nail stands. Like I said before, we're going to be using our base coat from Madam Glam. And when using the base coat, it makes it easier to apply the gel polish to the nails smoothly, and so that it doesn't do any kind of running or any kind of bubbles to it. Now that we have our base coat done, and then we also went ahead and put our first coat of gel polish on, and we're going to go ahead and cure that for 2 times 60 seconds each. And then we're going to go ahead and do the next set of nails with our first coat as well. So this color is called Apple Pie. And it is so beautiful. I love it. I did get some inspiration from Pinterest, various different pictures with trying to get this color like close to it. This is a perfect fall color. a perfect winter color as well. And honestly, you can wear this anytime, okay? But right now it's fall, so look at that color. That color is stunning. You can't tell me it's not stunning, okay? Okay. So here I am attempting to use the 3D gel and some gold, and I'm going to make 3 lines. Now this right here was a little difficult for me because I was trying to be a perfectionist to get it right, but I wanted to make the 3D 3 lines effect on this nail, and I'm using gold and I'm using the 3D rhinestone gel to get that 3D effect. And the gold is from Madam Glam and the 3D is from Amazon. Alrighty, on our next finger, we're going to be using the blooming gel, and we are going to add some black dots, giving it a kind of crocodile animal print kind of look. And so with this, you just get the whatever color you want, add that blooming gel to the nail, and then you can put as many dots as you want, as many shapes as you want, and you just let the blooming gel do its thing. And the thing is, once you like the way that it looks, put it underneath the lamp immediately because it's going to continue to expand, okay? But the best thing about this is if you don't like it, you can wipe it off and start again. As long as you don't cure it, you can keep redoing it, okay? Okay, look at that. Stunning. And that looks so cute. Alrighty, and for our next one, we are going to do it more like a French tip. So we're only going to do the tip effect with the blooming gel and add the dots to it there. So we're doing the same kind of thing, just adding it to the tip instead of the whole nail. So now we are going to add our top coat to each nail. With the 3D effect, I kind of like to put a light coat around them so it can still keep that 3D look. as you guys can see here. I am a little skeptical about how the 3D effect came out, but I've already cured it. We're gonna wear it, okay? This is a learning, all right? Learning tip right here, okay? We learn, we keep trying, and we do it again. So one that I didn't show you guys was I made a gold ring using the 3D gel as well. I do like how that came out. I thought it came out really cute. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and put a light coat of top coat on it so it can still keep that 3D effect. And then I'm gonna put top coat on everything else. Also, I do apologize I didn't show you guys what I did with the thumb because I was still kind of debating on it. But I basically did a kind of 3D ring around, a line outline around the thumb with the gold as well. And that's how we have it. And like that, we have our fall inspired nails. So cute. I really like them, how they turned out from my first time back on customizing my nails. So if you like this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.